Looking how to use Streamer.bot to give you different answers from one command, I'll show you how to do that now. There's actually not much to it. This is what my joke command looks like right now, so let's open up a new action and make a new one. So I'm just going to call this one joke and click OK. Then in sub actions we're going to right click and go to the bottom and add group. This is where our command actions are going to all be, and that's what helps makes it random. So I'm just going to write some random Twitch messages. So if you don't know how to do this already, right click, go down to Twitch, then go to chat, then send a message to channel. And I'm just going to keep doing this a few times till I got a few examples for you. Once you're done, also make sure, very important, that all your messages are in the folder and not out the folder. This is where I went wrong the first time. They need to be inside, because if not, it will just send all of them in one go and you don't want that. Next, you want to right click on the folder and go down to random. This will randomize your messages orders in which they're sent. You can also right click on each individual message and wait, and you can put down a percentage on how likely you want that answer to be given. For example, you might want a message that's very regular and one super rare one that you want your chat to find. Next, we're going to hook it up to a trigger. So up the top on the right, you'll see triggers. Right click that, and I'm using a command. But just like any other chat command that you're going to do in this bot, you're just going to give your bot a name as normal, just so you can find it yourself, and then in commands, how you actually want your command to be put into chat. We also have a global cooldown and a user cooldown. You can use this depending on how much of a wait you want between uses on this command. And there you go. That is pretty much how you can get a randomized command on your stream. Feel free to check it out, mess around with it, see what you can do. I've used it as a joke bot. I'm going to definitely use it for a few more things in the future. If you guys enjoyed the stream, feel free to click that subscribe button. I stream on Twitch pretty much every day, so go and check that out. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.